Are you struggling to create a rectangle with a perfectly curved bottom border in your Android app? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to achieve that stunning design using XML. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when your design doesn't turn out the way you envisioned it. Many developers face this issue when trying to create custom shapes in Android. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked how to create an Android drawable with a perfect curved bottom using XML. They even shared an image of what they were aiming for. Sound familiar? If you're facing a similar challenge, stick around as we explore the solution. So what's the issue here? The user tried a specific XML code, but found that the result wasn't perfect. This is a common hurdle when working with drawable shapes in Android, especially when it comes to achieving those smooth curves. And make sure to stay with us until the end. I have a special tip that will help you refine your designs even further. To create a drawable with a perfectly curved bottom border in Android, the user should start by defining a shape in XML. This shape will include a solid color and padding. Next, the user needs to specify the corner radii. This is where we define the bottom corners to be fully rounded. The top corners will remain square. After defining the shape and corners, the user should save this XML file in the drawable folder of their Android project. A common name for this file could be roundedbottomrectangle.xml. Finally, the user can apply this drawable to a view in their layout file. This can be done by setting the background attribute of a view to the drawable resource. Fun fact, did you know that the first Android version was released back in 2008? Just like design, Android has come a long way since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests using a vector drawable for creating a curved bottom border rectangle. This method allows for more precise control over the drawing. The user also provides variations of the vector drawable code, showing how small changes can create different curve effects. This flexibility can enhance your design. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution suggests modifying the corners in your XML. Change the corners to set a uniform radius of 200 dp for a perfectly rounded bottom. Keep the top corners at 0 for a clean look. Here's the special tip I promised. Always preview your drawable in different screen sizes and orientations. This will help ensure that your design looks great no matter where it's displayed. And there you have it. With a few adjustments, you can create that perfect curved bottom border rectangle in your Android app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.